You did not just walk into your grandparents' factory. You're stepping into the world of modern manufacturing, a world that's more Iron Man than assembly line. Raise your hands if you've ever used a phone, a video game console, driven a car. Every single one of those things exists because of manufacturing. This industry literally makes the things you can't live without. Manufacturing adds $2.91 trillion, that's with a T, to the economy every year. California, we are actually the largest manufacturing state. Average salary is more than $143,000 a year. And by 2030, when you guys are all ready to get out and work, there's going to be nearly 4 million new jobs. Women are the fastest growing segment in manufacturing, and there's a bigger and bigger push for diversity around that. Job security, manufacturing is pretty stable. The industry needs young talent like all of you. That's not bad for a job where you get to build robots instead of asking, do you want fries with that? And if you think manufacturing is about greasy overalls and boring, repetitive work, you're about as up to date as a flip phone. Robots aren't replacing people, they're teaming up with them. So manufacturing, we lead artificial intelligence and automation technology. The skills you gain here will be in demand for decades. So what does this mean to you? You get to create, you get to build stuff you can be proud of, from sneakers to satellites, and you get to have fun, because get what? You get to play with the latest technology, you're learning constantly, and you're never stop growing. As you're out here today exploring, see it as a preview of the future that you all can help shape. Would you rather build the future or just watch it happen?